Hey, thanks for checking out my video. Today I'm making fettuccine alfredo for two. And in my opinion, people really complicate fettuccine alfredo way more than they need to. I'm going to put 3 tablespoons of butter in my pan here. You don't need to make a roux. All it really is butter, cream, and Parmesan cheese, and then seasonings. So you don't need flour. Don't need all of that. It's very simple, and it comes together in no time flat, so you can make this really quick. The reason I'm making it is because I have a bunch of half and half left over that I didn't know what to do with, so I thought, hey, I'll make some fettuccine alfredo. So I've got my butter in there, and I'm going to add 3/4 cup of half and half. And I'm going to go ahead and season this. I've got salt, pepper, a little garlic powder, and I've got a 1/2 cup of shredded Parmesan here. It might seem a little thin at first, but once you put the pasta in there, and I cooked my pasta al dente on purpose so that it can soak up some of this sauce, and then the sauce thickens up while it's, while the pasta's soaking it up, it thickens up. So I personally don't like fettuccine alfredo with that really thick, gunky sauce. That just reminds me of stuff out of a jar. I'd rather just have plain, simple ingredients, and that's it. There's our sauce. And I'm going to put my pasta in there now. I've got 5 ounces of pasta for 2 people. And my pasta's kind of cold because I cooked it a little while ago. But you can already see how it's thickening up. I'm going to real quick just taste the sauce and see if it needs any more salt or pepper or anything. Nope, it's perfect. And you can add chicken to this, rotisserie chicken, or you can just eat it plain. But it's so simple and so easy, there's just no reason to complicate it any more than this. Butter, cream, cheese. That's it. There you go. Thanks for checking out my video today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you again soon. Take care.